From time to time, the sun is shaken by violent eruptions. Hot jets of plasma shoot from the surface as the sun's intense inner motion disturbs its magnetic field lines. Waves are sent through the atmosphere hundreds of thousands of kilometers high and at temperatures rising to 100 million degrees. These eruptions are accompanied by the emission of powerful electromagnetic rays, X-rays, radio waves and gamma rays, as well as charged particles. Visible from Earth, they trigger geomagnetic storms which can affect the Earth's magnetic field. The most obvious magnetic storm display, known as the aurora borealis or the northern lights, can be seen in the polar region. The interaction of charged particles within the upper atmosphere causes a sort of multicolored light show in the sky. The more powerful the storm, the more visible the lights become away from the polar region, sometimes disrupting daily life. The phenomenon can interfere with telecommunications and electricity supply. In 1965, a solar storm plunged 30 million homes in North America into darkness. Each solar cycle appears to last an average 11 years, culminating in serious magnetic storms. The most recent cycle reached a climax in 2013.